And we are in front of a Burstner travel van T590. That's the actual spec. Let's get inside. Revealing a pretty spacious living room with the Citroën Fiera Ducato basis and pretty large sitting area with a select line actual screen and a longitudinal bed. And we will be checking the actual size of this bed, 1.4, and from the longest part it will be about 2 meters. Not bad. Big storage on the top, handle and bathroom with an Thetford cassette toilet, pretty good amount of space with the sink. Let's get out, check the 3-burner stove, pretty deep sink and 3 drawers. That's pretty much a lot of space. And we have a 90-liter fridge from Thetford. It can be opened just from this side. And then another 2 cupboards from this part right here. Getting out, getting a better look around it, so we have a better understanding. This Burstner's 30 edition right here.